Okay, so we need to have a template for where we need to cut a hole in the wall of the van. And the window did not come with a template. And it's a little bit tricky to do. We have the frame, and some of the more expensive windows you can just trace around the frame and that works great. But on these windows, the frame goes inside here, but we have to actually cut outside of this piece. And so what we're going to actually end up cutting is a line that goes like this, and then it's going to come in and around, and it's got to come back out, and it's got to go through all this. And so what I'm going to do, first of all, is I'm going to figure out where the boundaries are for these outside edges. And the way we're going to do that, I'll set up the crack paper. That's what we're going to draw the template on. And then I set up the four sides. We're going to set the window on top of that and push in the four sides to where they are where they need to be. Basically push them in as far as they'll go on all four sides. Exactly like that. So now they're there. Then we lift the mirror or the window up without disturbing anything, and I'm not sure that I did that, so we'll have to try again. Ooh, boy, it's going to be tricky to do this. Okay, we've actually put some weight on these long ones that'll hopefully make it a little bit easier to pull those off without moving anything. Okay, so now we've got that up, and now what we can do is trace around the insides of this, and that will give me the first thing that we need to cut. So I will grab a pencil and I will work on that. Or a pen, it doesn't matter what you get. You just don't want to move. And this will give me a bounding rectangle. Now we're going to have to work on the corners. But this will give me where we need to cut for the outside edges. Okay, now we can remove all of these, and you can see that we've got the beginning of a template. So I don't need to record this, but I'll go ahead and finish up. Well, actually, I don't even need to finish up the corners. Pause it. Okay, so we've actually drawn in the corners here all the way around. And now we have this frame. As I had said on the more expensive windows, you can basically take this frame and just draw along this border and be totally okay. But because of the design of this window that I showed you before, you can't do that on this one. So we need to set this frame on here so that we can actually clip the corners the way we need to. And as best I can tell, the part of the window of the frame that sticks out here, that's basically where we need to start the corners. So right here where this corner is, I'm going to line it up with where this corner is, and that pretty well centers it there. And we do the same thing on that side, and that pretty much centers it there. And then we're centered here, and we're centered here. And so that actually gives us the corners that we need. And so then what I Oops, I probably just messed it up. And so now I need to recenter it there. Like I had mentioned before, this is really way more of a pain than it should be. It'd be nice if they just provided a template, but they don't. And so we're kind of having to make our own here. And so I think that about does it. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this solid, and I need to draw this corner so that I have that corner drawn in there. And that will give me exactly where I need to cut the van window, and this pencil is not doing a good job at all. Okay, we'll try it in the opposite direction, see if that solves all our issues. I don't even know if I'm getting far enough back in there because the thing's so big. Because it's quite a ways. Okay, let's see how terrible that looks. Okay, actually not bad. Not too bad. It's obviously not perfect, but it's not terrible either. This one's pretty bad, but oh well. So now what we need to do is at some point along here, we just need to connect these lines. And what we can do for that, hit pause. Okay, so if we look at the window over here, basically the cutout that we need to do, if you follow the tip of the pencil here, we need to go along this, and then at this point we're going to come in to line up with the frame that goes on the inside. It's going to come around here about like this, and it's going to go out again, and it's going to go around the rest of the way. So to figure out how that's going to work, what I did is I calculated where the center of the window was on here, and that ended up being somewhere right about here. And then I calculated the distances from here to here and from here to here, and I measured how long this section was and figured out how far off of center that was and measured out to that. And you can see that we ended up with these lines right here. So that is one of the places we go in. That's another one. So we're going to go in around here, cut along here, cut down through here to this point, and at that point we go in, we come around, we go to there, and same thing on this end. On this end it's a little bit easier to see. We do that, we do that, we do that, and we do that. And the next step will be to actually cut this template out with the corners and everything. And in theory, that should be exactly what we need to cut out on the van itself. Precision matters. What we will do once we get this template cut out is we'll be able to set it on this window and set the inside frame piece on there, and everything should match up perfectly. So that will be the next step, is to actually get this cut out and see just how perfect we are. Okay, we've gotten the template cut out, and whenever we set the template on the window itself, the important thing is that the edges come over and extend out past these flat sections. In this direction, it is not quite extending out all the way, but it's super close, and I think the reason that it's not is because we actually have this angle right in here because of that piece that we can't really get around. But on both this end and on the other end, we are just right there. So I think we're fine. And then in this direction, it is just pretty well exactly where it needs to be. So I think that we are in really good shape on that. So I think we're good on that. And then as far as the corners go, we can actually take this piece, and if we set it on top, approximately where it's finally going to go. The thing with the corners here is if we wanted to, we could actually cut the van metal out all the way to the 90 degree, but I don't want to cut out any more van metal than I have to, and that's why we're going to all of this effort here to do the rounded corner. And so the important thing is that we have the corners completely covered up whenever we set this here. And if we set the paper out flat on the floor, you would see that the corners are completely covered up. And you can kind of see it on here like this. So if we go ahead and do that, obviously it likes to roll up because that's just what paper does. We set that there like so. And whenever we set this on, you can see that basically the paper extends out past the corners all the way around. And so that's what we want. So I think we have a good template. Now the next steps will be to actually put this template on the van itself and make sure that we have it where we want it, and then start drilling holes and start cutting metal. So that's where we'll head next.